Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Atlantic salmon in a pan. First, select high-quality Atlantic salmon fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick. Before cooking, it's crucial to pat the salmon completely dry with paper towels. This step is essential for achieving that perfectly crispy skin we all love. Then, season both sides of your fillets generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other herbs or spices you prefer for a delicious flavor. Next, let's get our pan ready. A heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron or stainless steel, works best for even cooking. Add about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it's shimmering gently. This indicates it's hot enough to create a beautiful sear without burning, ensuring your salmon cooks perfectly. Now for the cooking. Carefully place the salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Gently press down on each fillet for the first 30 seconds to ensure full contact with the pan, promoting even crisping. Cook skin side down for about 4 to 6 minutes, until the skin is beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Then, flip the salmon and cook for an additional 2 to 4 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, transfer the salmon to a plate and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the fillet, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Resting makes a significant difference in the final texture and taste. Finally, serve your perfectly pan-seared Atlantic salmon immediately with your preferred side dishes, like some roasted asparagus or a light salad, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.